Hello viewers, welcome back to another video. So as all of you know that in previous video I made this navbar which is not responsive now, uh, because in the mobile view it will not show nice. So in my previous project, as all of you know that the navbar is like this, so you can see the difference. So in this video what I will do, I will make this navbar like my previous project. So for that what I need to do, in my index file I need to use a another meta tag, viewport meta tag. So the name will be viewport. So what is viewport? The viewport is the actually is the visible area in the website that a user see. So the viewport name will be viewport, and the content will be like the width the width will be device width, right? Device width, and initial scale will be 1.0, means the width of the website will be as same as the device width. Like if you are in a desktop, the width of the website will be like desktop, and if you are in mobile or tab, the width will be same as mobile or tab. So it it will help the website to become responsive. Now this is first thing what you need to do for do your website responsive. uh, though you will, even if you don't use it, also your website will be responsive in other way, but it is a normal convention to do that. So initially I did that. Then another thing is that, so here you can see the nav bar, okay, which I made for my desktop view. And now after that nav bar I will take another nav. I will give the class name is nav bar m, so that the mobile view, or I will make it mobile view, let's say mobile view navbar m. Inside that, what I will do, I will take a button, the button that you might see in the in my previous type button, and let's say class is menu bar. And okay, for now let it menu. For now let it print. So after that what I need to do, I will take another. Okay, let me copy that one because it will be same as this. So now you can see, now I have two navbar. So if I save it, and I can use same navbar though, but let's say for all of you are beginner, I think so it is very unstable, that's why I'm doing in that way. So now sorry, now if I refresh it, what you can see, there is another navbar with a button menu, right? So I will give style here now, so that it will not see in this large width. Instant when the width will be in decrease, then we will see this. So for that I need to give a style here. So now let's now for index file it is up to this. Now let's go to the style. So before going to style, let me copy the class name. Okay, I copied the class name. So after the navbar you will hover, I will take another class. Okay, navbar m. So as all of you know that before, in the previous nav I have given margin left to be 14 minus 14 pixel, px, as you know that otherwise it become like little, right? So I will use the same margin as before. Another thing, I will use a margin bottom, so that there will be little space in the bottom pixel. Okay, sorry, pixel. So now another thing is, after inside the navbar m, you can see there is a button, but I have given a name, so I will not work it with it now. I will work it later. Now let's say inside the navbar I have ul, means unsorted list. So now I will give start to the unsorted list. So is navbar m ul, right? So navbar m ul, the first thing I need to do, this is I will make the position relative. Initially it will be okay, so let me the position will be relative. Then as you see the list style none, so then the dot will be erased. Then color, let's say color, let's say white. Okay, now if I save it and go to the page and refresh it, so now you can see the dots are gone, and now the color is white as well. So now I will make it, I will change it. So before, okay, now let's do other things. I will use the, so before doing this let me do another thing. So as all of you can see that the navbar is both of the navbar is visible now. So we obviously don't want to this. First I will make it invisible. So let have to do that, I have to use media person media query. So media only screen and max width, let's say 650 pixel. So let's say, so in the in when the media or when the max width is within 650 pixel, what I will do, I will make the navbar to be display none, so that the navbar area will not visible. So you can see the navbar area and the class is navbar, so this area will not shown when the max width is within, sorry, when the max width is within 650. So here you can see that now the previous navbar or menu bar is gone. Now we have only this mobile view navbar m. So now I will make it like this. So to do this I have to make give style to the ul and li. So let's go to the style and see, you can see that the navbar ul which I did earlier. So now what I need to do, I will give it like display to be block, display block, and then flex like 100%, so that total area will be the width. And another thing is let's make transition to be 0.5 second, so it will not, okay. After that let me give style to the li neighbor ul li. So in li section what I will do, I will again I will use flex to be 100%, sorry, flex to be 100%, then text will be in center, so text align center, padding, let's say, let's give 5 pixels so that it looks nice. Then after padding let's say let's give background color, background color, it's like 444, say not black. And text color, let's say uh, f1, okay. So that's for now. Now let's save it and see what's the changes. Here you can see, and now there's little changes you can see here. So now I need to do some other thing. So I have to give border, and the left margin will be need to be decreased more. So let's go to the code, and first thing is I have to give it like -40 as I did earlier, so -40. And in UL section, okay, after colors, let's say border to be 1 pixel, 1 pixel solid. The color, let's say 111. Okay, then that's enough for now. So let's see. So see, now you can see that it is like I didn't did anything with this button, so let's not think about that for now. Let's just think about that. So it is like this. Okay, now I didn't use the hover style, that's why it is not showing anything. So now I will do the hover style. Now let's copy it and paste it. So in the hover section, so hover, if I hover it, or if the user hover it, so what changes I will do, I will make it to be little yeah, little brighter, and the text will be white. And another thing I can do, I can give font size for both, let's say let's not let's, like this. So now if you see this, so now you can see the difference. Okay, so now we are done with this. So another thing is that I have not given its media query, so that's why it is showing here. So in this, with the the it's this section should not be visible. So now what I can do, I can copy the previous media query that I did for navbar desktop. Let's copy it, and after the number, let's paste it again. So now let's say media mean, let's say mean. So within before this width, okay, the neighbor m, which is the class name of this neighbor, so the neighbor m will be display none. So just made this mean. And another thing is that I changed the class name. So if I save it now and go to the browser, and let's say if I refresh it, so now you can see it is gone. So if now you can see the difference. So now what I need to do, I need to give uh, I need to work with this. So for this video, let it to be there. In the next video, I will I will take the button here and give uh, it some response so that it works. So I need to work with some JavaScript as well. Thank you.